All right, so here we're gonna do a little exhaust clip comparison between my 2006 Chevy Silverado and this 1999 GMC Yukon. Now, those of you who probably follow my channel for a while probably remember this, and yep, this is that same vehicle that my aunt has owned since 1999, and it's been through quite a bit. One of them being that it has actually gone through engines, unfortunately. So, it's clean 244,000 miles. The original L31 5.7 350 gave up, and from what I heard, the thermostat got stuck closed and overheated the engine, and it basically blew a head gasket and took out the whole bottom end of the motor. And brand new long block later, here she is. So basically I have a stock intake on it now. So basically this is give you an idea of the sound clip comparison. Not too sure the maker of the exhaust. I know it's actually, correction, the maker is Flowmaster. I'm not sure what series muffler, so it's going to be an interesting sound comparison. Now we'll give you a look at my truck to show you what the comparison is. First off, let me reach in for my keys. And that's what we're comparing against. 4.8 liter Vortec V8, essentially a de-stroked 5.3 in other words. I'm not too sure whether or not that the subtle difference in displacement are going to make it sound any different. So basically it should sound different from any 4.8, 5.3, or 6.0. I do know for a fact the exhaust systems on mine are a Flowmaster Super 44 exhaust. But as you see on mine, I got the rolled end tips right here, so it definitely amplifies sound. GMC over here just got a simple Flowmaster. I would guess probably at least 40 series. Maybe it's a Super 40. Maybe for those of you who have these vehicles, we'll probably get a better understanding of how it sounds. But I'd say for right now, I'm just gonna give the cameraman who's gonna hold it down by the exhaust clip, and then we're gonna see which vehicle sounds the best. All right, just hold it back just a little bit. All right. Just right at below when you barely just feeling the bumper. All right, here's the GMC. That was the GMC with a good old small block 350. Now here comes my truck with the LS V8.
They're a little different.
All right. Well, I'll let you guys be the judge of which one sounds the best. But for now, let's go ahead and conclude the video. Hope you guys have had a Merry Christmas, and hope we all have a Happy New Year. May next year be better than the last. But be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.